Sa isang kinakasal, ang unang-unang nananalangin talaga ay ang asawang babae, ang kinakasal na babae. At ang bukod tanging panalangin ng kinakasal na babae ay yung taong mahahawakan ng kanyang kamay patungo sa isang masayang buhay.
When the sun comes up to shine, we can fall out of the sky. I would do it all again. I would do it all again.
Nagustuhan ko kasi kay Odi, maalaga siya. Yung feel ko safe ako pag kasama ko siya. Alam ko na kahit anong problema, kaya kong harapin kasi alam kong backup ko siya sa lahat ng bagay, nakasuporta siya.
Every motion is a flood. Feel the weight of
So, walang specific na nagustuhan sa kanya. It's just that naramdaman ko sa sarili ko na sa kanya ko makikita yung, or mahanap yung hinahanap kong happiness. Naramdaman ko magiging masaya ako sa kanya, na siya na yung hinahanap ko talaga ever since.
with a time I'll never stop. I would do I would do it all.
Bobby, thank you kasi lagi ka nandyan para sa akin. Alam kong hindi mabigat kahit na anong planuhin natin gawin. Kasi alam ko, kung mag-fail man, lagi kang may backup plan. Lalo na ngayon, ikakasal na tayo. At the same time, magkaka-baby pa tayo. I love you.
My first promise was made 3 years ago, which is first is I'm the one who's going to be your human diary. To remember every special day and hardships that you're having in your life. And second is the peace of mind, which up until now and until the end of the day, I will give it to you.
Ang pag-aasawa ay isang munting biyaya na ibinigay at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. Ito ay biyaya ng kaligayahan. Ang kasama sa buhay ay isang masayang biyaya na ibinigay sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. At yun yung isang tunay na kaligayahan.
Oh, I'm obsessed with the way your head is laying on my chest. How you love the things I hate about myself that no one knows. But with you, I see hope again.
Sana magiging tatay ka na rin ulit. Ulit pala. Magiging tatay ka na pala. Kaya sana pagbutihin mo.
You seem to always help me catch my breath, but then I lose.
Asawa mo, lalo mga bata. Paano kayo minahal? Mahalin mo pa sila ng sobra. Ha? Love you na.
And why do I get so
Salamat na patuloy ka na sa amin, hindi ka na Miss Muranya. Magiging Mrs. Suarez ka na. Okay, thank you sa tulong din sa akin. Thank you sa magiging mabait mo.
think I'd find someone who's worth the wait of all the years of my heartbreak, but I know now I've found the one I love.
Today, I choose you, Bob. in the easy days and the hard
I
ones.
love the way
Sa pagkakaiba natin at sa mga araw na kailangan ng mas matinding pag-unawa. As my husband and my best friend, I promise to listen, to understand, and to stay. To love you every day, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. Thank you for being my love, my home, my peace, and my safety. You're my only love, and I love you. Now and on.
Darling, this is more than anything I felt before. You're everything that I want, but I didn't think I'd find someone who was worth the weight of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I've found the one. Come.
And lastly, a promise of having a happy and healthy family, since we're about to have our first baby soon.
But I know it's worth it. Whoa.
I will always love you and our future kids or children, if ever na masundan pa natin.
Didn't think I'd find someone who was worth the weight of all